my channel. If you have come here for the first time, thank you so much guys for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And yes, armies, I am back with another BTS reaction. Of course, as you know from the title. This is Interlude Shadow comeback trailer, Yoongi's comeback trailer Envy. I am super duper stoked. Now I know the song, of course. I know the song, I know the lyrics. I feel so good when I know the song and the lyrics. I can just focus on the visuals and the MV. And this is this is one of my favorite tracks from Map of the Soul 7, and when I had reviewed this album, I had told you, if you have not checked out the review, you can find the review in the BTS playlist. So yes, without delaying this any further, anyway, this is of course not the full song, and I love this song so much. It's a very dark song, and let's watch the MV. I'm really excited to see what kind of visuals have been used. Okay. And I hope we are all praying for Yoongi's fast recovery from the shoulder surgery that he had. Okay. I want to be a rock star. I want to be the top. I want to be a rap star. Okay, sorry. I can't rap. Whoo! Whoa! These are the shadows? Oh, I love the glitch.
I wanna be a rap star. I wanna be the top. I wanna be a rock star. I want it on mine. I wanna be rich. I wanna be the king. I wanna go win.
Ooh, look at him.
I wanna be a rap star.
Oh, he looks great.
I wanna be a rock star.
He looks so cute. But the song is very deep and dark.
I wanna be the king. I wanna be me. I wanna be king. Oh boy, let me see. I got a big dream. Yeah. 매일 설레지 내가 어디까지 갈지. 정신없이 달리다 보니 어느새 여기까지 왔지. 마음에 그림자.
Oh, that is cool. I like that.
도망쳐봤잖아 따라오는 저 빛과 비례하는 내 그림자. 두려워. 누가 나는 게 너무 무섭지. 아무도 말 안 해줬잖아 여기가 얼마나 외로운지.
I love this song so much.
이제 알겠어 때론 도망이 자선이란 걸.
These are all his shadows. This is my favorite line. Growing shadow swallows me and becomes a monster. I love this. I love the part when the tone of the song completely shifts. All the doors are closing one by one. Ooh. This part, oh my god.
I wanna be a rock star. I want it on mine. I wanna be rich. I wanna be the king. I wanna be me. I wanna be.
This is an amazing song. One of the best in the album. Love the visuals. Woo! He's looking at himself. Oh! This is amazing. No! Why? Oh my god, I wish they had. I don't like that, in their comeback trailers, the full song is not there. This song deserved a full MV, full-fledged MV, because this is such a great. This song is so relevant to Map of the Soul, the album, because this is the interlude song. So they start. Oh, my phone is ringing. Okay, forget it. Because as you know progress through the album gets darker and darker, and then it takes a lighter tone. But I feel this song should have had a full-fledged MV, because let's talk about the visuals. I absolutely loved how it starts. This one, oh, what a visual. Every door, his various shadows are standing in front of the doors, and I love it. And then the camera pans to him. This is so amazing. And then he starts, I want to be a rap star, and this visual where everybody's clicking his photo. I loved the animation that was used. I love it. And the glitch every time the camera was glitching. I love that. And when he talks about that at the beginning he wanted certain things, wants to be a rap star, wants to be in the top, and this and that, all of the things that he desired when he came into the industry. All right, because this is Map of the Soul, right? This is a journey towards your own psyche. That's why I really like this album. It's very, very personal. So he says that he wanted to be this. This is what his desire was when he joined the industry, and then slowly he started getting fame. All the shadows are like his different personas, and when he says that the shadow grows bigger and the shadow swallows me, that and becomes a monster. So what happens is when you get that rising exponential success, it is very much possible that you get swallowed by so much of media attention, so much like you see how many people are keeping an eye on him, because then you come in under the scrutiny of media, your fans, your fan base increases. There's so many things that comes with fame. And then I love how the entire tone of the song shifts and becomes darker, because he says, don't let me shine because I'm scared now. So it's such a nice contrast in the entire song has complete contrast. It's the same lyrics when he starts, I want to be a rap star, but then when the second time he says I want to be a rap star, it is coming from a very, very darker place. When he says, oh my god, where? This part? Yes.
I wanna be the top, I wanna be a rock star, I want it on my...
Are you seeing how blood red the screen is? I love the representation. And then he's wearing black and he has become more and more darker. And then your egos, there is this ego that swallows you. There is this fame that can swallow you. All the media attention can swallow you, and you probably won't be true to yourself as an artist. So many things can be interpreted and talked about in this song. Just beautiful. And it just doesn't apply to an artist. It applies to us in generally in life also. Say in any kind of profession or in school, when we sort of get attention, if we are a top student and all, it can go to your head. So it can be applied to smaller things. So I love the visuals of the song. Love Yoongi's rap. I don't have to say it. This is if you have checked my review, this is one of the top recommended songs for me in the album. So yes guys, that was my reaction to Map of the Soul 7's interlude Shadow, which was Yoongi's comeback trailer. I really wish this had a full MV. So yeah guys, that's it from me today. And how I am so excited for B now that we have the track list also that they have shared. So there are going to be 8 songs, 7 new songs for us, because Dynamite we have already listened to. So yes guys, I'll see you on my next video. Next video is probably going to be which one should I do? I'll do Ego. I was thinking I'll do Lights first, but let me finish with Map of the Soul 7. So I think Ego is left, and then I will go move on to Lights. So yes guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Please do subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.